Friends, today we'll see product registration flow for ZAMRA. ZAMRA is the regulatory authority which is working for Zambia. Now we'll see stages of registration. There are 8 stages involved in product registration. First one is pre-submission stage, second one dossier submission, third one screening phase, it is also called as validation phase, fourth one technical evaluation, fifth one GMP inspection, sixth one query handling, seventh one decision and registration, and eighth one post registration obligations. Now we'll see all the stages one by one. First of all, we'll see pre-submission stage. Under pre-submission stage, we have to check ZAMRA guideline for fee structure which is applicable for that particular product. Then we have to prepare the dossier in CTD format having modules 1 to 5. And suppose applicant is not in Zambia, then applicant should assign local technical representative, it is called as LTR, in Zambia. Now we are entering in dossier submission. It is the second stage of product registration. Submit application form along with CTD dossier having module 1 to 5, samples, usually 3 commercial conformance samples with COA, mock-up labels and package insert oblique leaflet, GMP certificate and manufacturing license are mandatory things. Pre-sale certificate, CPP, it is also called as certificate of pharmaceutical product, and we have to submit covering letter along with payment proof. Now we are entering in screening phase. As I said, it is also called as validation phase because ZAMRA is validating whatever the document we have submitted to ZAMRA. ZAMRA screens the dossier to confirm completeness of dossier, acceptable format of dossier, required document and fees paid. Suppose if everything is in place, it moves to the evaluation phase. If not, a screening queries will be issued. Now we are entering in technical evaluation. Under technical evaluation, we have to see pharmaceutical quality assessment. Under pharmaceutical quality assessment, ZAMRA will review module 3 for formulation, specifications, manufacturing process, stability data, packaging components. After that, ZAMRA will review clinical and non-clinical assessment. These clinical and non-clinical assessments mainly applicable for new molecule or new combinations. Then bioequivalence study review. It is required for generics under the BioWaiver or BE category. Now we are entering in GMP inspection. If the manufacturing site is not on ZAMRA's approved list or WHO listed, a GMP inspection may be needed. In that scenario, manufacturer should pay separate GMP inspection fees. Query handling. During the evaluation phase, ZAMRA may raise technical or administrative queries. Those queries should be responded by applicant within 90 calendar days. The delay in the response may lead to application closure or rejection. So applicants should ensure that they are responding the queries within 90 days. Now the decision and registration phase will come. If the dossier is satisfactory, means everything is complete, there is no query, then marketing authorization number, it is also called as registration certificate, is issued by ZAMRA. The validity of registration certificate is 5 years. Product will be listed on the ZAMRA registered product database. Now we are entering in post-registration obligations. Once the product is registered, there are some mandatory things we have to perform. First one is notification of changes. Suppose if we are changing the quality of product, labeling of product, packaging of product, the variation must be filled and it should be submitted to ZAMRA. ZAMRA will evaluate that variation, and if everything is satisfactory, they will approve the variation. Then second one is pharmacovigilance compliance. Nowadays, all the regulatory authorities are focusing on the pharmacovigilance compliance. Under pharmacovigilance compliance, we have to comply all the pharmacovigilance things like adverse reporting, then PHUR we have to submit, then we have to focus on renewal. As I said, the validity of product registration is 5 years. So before expiring the registration, the applicant should apply the renewal so that they will get a extension of validity within stipulated time. So friend, today we have seen the product registration flow for ZAMRA. I think I have tried to explain the process in simple and understandable way. Hope it will be informative for you. So suppose if you have any query, please mention those queries in comment so that I can respond those queries. Okay friends, thank you very much.